Yo, how's it going, guys? It is Camden here, and today we're gonna be battling an invisible Prodigy player. Okay, guys, so as you can see, here we have Luke Thunderstrider.
But I cannot see. I'm legally blind.
Now, you may be asking where he is, but if you click, he has the invisibility cloak. Now, guys, the invisibility cloak is one of the rarest items in Prodigy, so he's definitely a Prodigy legend. So let's give him a battle. Bro, look at him. Oh my gosh, guys, look at him. He is absolutely hilarious. He's 100% invisible. This is so cool.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, guys, well, the invisible Prodigy player did not accept my battle request. So, guys, for the rest of the video, I think I'm just gonna do some more arena battles.
Bruh.
Okay, guys, our first battle is against Chill Wyatt. Okay, he looks pretty good. All right, obviously it's 8. Let's go. Okay, guys, our first battle is against Kylie Winterlight. Hopefully we get a win. I haven't gotten one in a while, so let's go. Okay, we're gonna use Falling Star Smash. First problem already got correct. Let's go. Okay, guys, we're using our spell. Oh my gosh, guys. We took over 3,000 health away, and...
Bruh.
Dang, okay. She did a pretty... We won! Let's go! Okay, guys, so no one seems to want to do battles right now, so I'm gonna head over and I'm gonna battle the Titan, guys. All right, guys, we're going in for a Titan battle. It has more health than me. Okay, guys, we're gonna use Umbra Blast to start off. Okay, how much damage is it gonna do?
Bazinga.
Boom! 3,400. Good hit with an epic attack. I'm gonna use Falling Star Smash. All right, he goes. And 4,000 damage on that one.
That's a lot of damage.
Okay, it's now or never. We're using Supernova. Is it gonna do a lot of damage? All right, guys, the final spell of the battle. It's gotta be Falling Star Smash. And we got it right for the final hit of the Titan. 9999 damage. Get out of here. Critical hit. And that was an easy Titan hit. Alright, guys. So that was the video. I'm really sad that we didn't get to battle the guy with the invisibility cloak, but we did get to do some other awesome battles. So I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Guys, comment down below. I'm gonna be replying to as many comments as I can, so make sure to do that. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.